Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Nelly, and today we will be doing a little bit of different fold. We will be folding, but we will not be cutting or doing any other folds. So we will be coloring. I have this pattern which I really like, and I would like to fold it in the book. So what we will need, we will need a ruler just to score your pages. And we will need permanent markers, any colors you would like to color. I thought that I will do black and red, so hopefully it will look nice as I go. So my pages will be creased 1.5 centimeter. I don't have a scoring board, scoring tool, so I created my own. I put 2 rulers together, glue them together, and my distance from the edge of the book to the page is 1.5 centimeter. I have a couple of different rulers that I put together, so I have 2.5, 1 centimeter, and 1.5 centimeter. So it really does the same thing. It will the edge will stop at the edge of my book, and I can crease it, so I will have no problem to do that. I know a lot of people have a nice fancy scoring guides, but I thought that, you know, for those who cannot get them, this one is an easy solution, and you can see that there is absolutely no difference in it. It just doesn't look fancy as the others, but it will stop. You can see the book has to be nice and straight, but it holds nicely. I will crease it, and again, you can crease it with anything you want. This one is actually nice and thin. You cannot press with this too much, because you will cut the pages. So let me crease a couple of pages, and then we will go to the next step. I decided to do my hearts over here, and this one will be in the red color. The rest will be in black. I will see how the lips go. Maybe I can do the lips, but we'll see how it goes. Now we scored our pages, and we will be marking our pattern. I have a graph pattern which I like to use. I think it's a little bit faster, so that's what I will be marking with. And I put a couple of pages at the same time, so I don't have to redo my pattern all the time, going in and out. For this one, I will need a little ruler, so I will be marking my pages. Where you had a crease, do the marks where the crease is, and it doesn't matter how long they are, because you won't see them anyway. But we would like to have them on the crease, so that's how the marks will look. All right, 41. I'll just move my paper and do my marks. So that's where my marks are. start coloring. When you mark your pages, just use your marker and just color on your fold, on your crease. And that's it. My book is finished. So now any pattern that is cut and fold, it can be colored. So it will be color and fold 180 degrees. That's all it is. So you have to score it. I just wanted to show you the scoring with the tools that I made a video of. With one of my scoring tools. That's this one. It scored absolutely beautifully. It's very nice and straight. I have all the same folds, which I'm very happy with. It looks beautiful. It's literally just score your pages first, mark it as I showed you, and then color it with any colors you want. It took me only one permanent marker on this pattern, and I think I can still do a lot with it. It's not done. And I had a red permanent marker and a thin tip permanent marker. It looks I'm very happy with it. It looks beautiful, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.